You want fishing content?
I don't know, bro. I've fucking never done this shit before.
First one.
Oh, I ain't mad about it. Yeah. Oh, it's so awesome.
Golly, they bite so good. Just having an absolute time. Look at these things.
Down that way. There we go. I don't know, bro. I've fucking never done this shit before. Oh my god, this is awesome. Fucking Jake done put me on my first smallie. Get over there. Hey, okay, fuck you though. There's multiple down there, a bunch of them. Because I got hit like 3 or 4 times. Yeah.
Picture, you good?
Yeah. That's my first one. There you go. Alright. Thank you, dude. First one. Thank you, baby. Oh my god. Yeah, they bopping the shit out of me. I got hit like 2 times. Yeah, but I mean, you gotta understand, like, I'm looking around right now and I'm just like, what the fuck am I doing here? Like, dude, that was so rad. Thank you, Jake. Oh, hell. I hit that motherfucker. Hell yeah, dude. That was a big old rock. There's probably a fish on it too. Golly. Oh, I'm good. Yeah, I got paddle. I'll take them. I ain't mad about it. Yeah. Oh, it's so awesome. Oh, they're so angry. Oh, come on there, buddy. Come on. They're so angry. Like one hook on him. Oh, pretty fish. Oh my goodness. Oh, you beautiful brown fish. You beautiful brown fish. Oh my gosh. All right, so at this point,
Still definitely feel like I have no clue what's going on. I probably just went overfish. Who knows? Got a good flow. I mean, just for me to, I mean, look, it just turning me around and doing all sorts of stuff. I am floating all over the place. Man, floating a river, I give it to you guys. That is awesome. I'm looking for little depressions, you know, any little pockets, stuff like that. Behind some of this stuff, but you know, we've got a couple smallmouth, and I haven't even, I mean, that's, you know, we launched, there's the ramp right there. I'm just kind of speechless at this entire situation. It's absolutely beautiful. Jake is way up there, Ryan's way up there, my trolling motor. I mean, look at the trolling motor, just going crazy to try to stay in one spot. Absolutely incredible. They fight so good. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, you big beautiful thing, you. Oh, trying to fight a fish in the water moving this fast is crazy. Ooh, holy moly. Oh man, absolute. Just having an absolute time. Holy, look at these things. Look at these things. Absolutely beautiful. All right, let's do it again tomorrow.